Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Hyundai Elantra's Bluetooth. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on. Next, grab your smartphone and turn on its Bluetooth feature, making sure it's discoverable. On your Elantra's infotainment screen, navigate to the Setup menu. From there, select Bluetooth and then Bluetooth connection to start the pairing process. This initial setup is straightforward and gets you ready for hands-free connectivity. Once you're in the Bluetooth connection menu, select Add New on your Elantra's display. Now, look at your phone's Bluetooth settings and choose your vehicle's name, like Hyundai Elantra, from the list of available devices. A passkey will appear on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm that these numbers match. Finally, your phone might ask to download contacts. Approve this to complete the pairing. You'll see a confirmation message on your car's display. If you encounter issues, a simple restart can often help. Power off your phone and turn off your Elantra's engine, waiting about 60 seconds before restarting both. If that doesn't work, go into your car's Bluetooth settings and remove any old, unused devices. Do the same on your phone. Also, check your phone's battery optimization settings, as these can sometimes interfere with Bluetooth. Make sure your phone's operating system is updated, as outdated software can cause connectivity problems. For optimal audio quality, always turn your phone's volume up to its maximum when connected via Bluetooth, then use your car's controls to adjust the sound. Did you know some Elantra models offer dual Bluetooth support, allowing two devices to be paired simultaneously? This is great for both calls and music streaming. And for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this fantastic product and other great deals in the description below. Remember to consult your Elantra's owner's manual for any specific details about your model's Bluetooth system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.